drone. There.
Way too fast, sir. Because you're starting to get bumps right there.
I'm not going fast.
Wow.
Anyways, we're going to this park here, close to the house, to test out this drone we just got in the other day. So yeah, hang on, we'll be right there in a second. All right, guys, we're here. We got our Snapton SP350. Yeah, little gecko there. Oh, it's all right, we'll get it next time. Anyways, so we're gonna be reviewing the Snapton SP350. It's a 4-axis mini drone. It's catered to a kid. How old are you?
I'm 4.
He's 4. This is Dominic, by the way, guys. My son, ages 14 and up. But I'm pretty confident he can fly it. I'm gonna try it first, and then we're gonna try to fly it around here. Hopefully we don't go into the water, right?
Yep. And
We should be okay.
And hope we don't do that sprinkler because that's really not good.
Yeah, if we get into that sprinkler, it's definitely gonna mess it up. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. Package here. So like I said, we get instructions to come with the drone. Tells you about the blades, the remote, and all the functions. So we're gonna need to use all this. We gotta pair the drone to the remote. So first, let's get it out. It says, oh, look at this. It even comes with some two extra batteries, a little screwdriver, and some blades, and a rechargeable cable. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and, oh, you already got it open. Okay. So here's our drone. First, let's take a look and see how we pair the drone to the remote. I wonder if this has batteries. I didn't check. It needs 2 AAA batteries.
Do you have those?
Does it come in package? And no, it doesn't come batteries. So we need to get batteries.
Going back home?
Right, guys, we are back. Had to go home and get some batteries. I didn't realize that the remote actually took batteries. Like I said, guys, this is the first time we've opened this package. So it does take 2 AAA batteries. The cool thing about this little pack here, it actually comes with a little screwdriver for you guys to remove the access cover here for the remote. Grab your batteries, slap them in there. There we go. So first thing we want to do is we want to pair the drone to the remote. So we need to get those synced up together, and by doing that we need to open this first, and there's already a battery in here. We just need to hook up the connector to it, and it's simple as just sliding this in here like so. Close the cover back up, turn it on. There we go. Now let's pair it with the remote. All we gotta do is turn it on. To sync the remote to the drone, you just simply press the toggle switches up then down, and then you'll hear a beeping noise. There it goes. So we're paired up. All we need to do is, this is a takeoff button.
Whoa.
So it'll take off by itself. And okay. It has a, there we go. We just made it land. Let's try it right here. Power this thing on. Let's power the remote on. So we got to go up, down, and then to sync the gyro and the speed, we go down left, down right, and to take off, it's just pressing this button. Okay.
Oh, that's meaning words.
And then see how much calmer it is here. It's not going crazy. So, oh yeah, it's pretty sensitive. Up. Not too bad. Getting the hang of it here. Up. Whoa! You see that? That was pretty cool.
It's flip, boy.
Uh oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh, that hurt. That was actually pretty cool when it did that.
Yeah, it's here to barbecue.
All right, it's you wanna try it?
Oh, my turn.
So now remember, this button is to take off, and if you push that again, it'll bring it back down. Land it, okay? Off. Go ahead. There it goes. Practice with this. Look, this goes that way. Oh, bring it back this way.
Huh.
Okay. Go ahead.
Oh, yes, cool. This is
It takes some practice, but that little thing is tough. All right, let's bring it over here and try it again. There you go. So push that button. Push. Oh, nice. Do it again. Flip. Oh. Whoa. It's going crazy flips. No, you got to throw it from the bottom. Remember, like this up. There you go. Nice. Uh-oh, make it come back this way. Whoa, nice landing. Whoa, go down, go down. There you go. Nice. Right around the land. A little bit lower. Whoa, lower, lower, whoa. Oh, there he goes. Oh. Okay guys, so we've had this drone for a little over 2 weeks now, and we've been playing with it off and on, and this thing has been in the walls, on the ground, on the roof, in the neighbor's yard, right? This thing has been everywhere, and this thing just keeps going, guys. This drone is actually pretty amazing, and it's really, really fun to use. Like I said, he's only
4.
He's only 4, so for him to be able to play with this and it still being able to fly around, and it speaks for itself. So yeah, if you're definitely looking to get a drone for a kid or yourself just to play with, this is definitely the one I would recommend. There you go. Nice and easy, nice and smooth. There you go. Okay, like I said, guys, this thing just keeps going. So if you're definitely looking for a drone for a kid or yourself, I definitely recommend this little drone here because, man, this thing is amazing. It's actually pretty fun. I'm actually pretty good with it, but I'm still trying to get my son to kind of learn the remotes and the controls. It actually works really, really well. So what do you think? Do you recommend this drone to other kids? Yeah, it's pretty fun, huh? Yeah, this thing keeps him busy throughout the day. But if you are going to take it outside, I recommend you guys not take it outside if it's a little bit windy, because there's a little bit of wind, a little bit of gust. It will take this drone away because it's just really hard to control in the wind because it's so light and so small. So I definitely recommend playing with it inside to get the hang of the remotes and the control. And once you do, you can take it outside, and if there's no wind, it's actually pretty fun outside. You can take it up pretty high and around the yard or even to a park. But anyways, we'll see you guys later. So please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.